Hi, Chad here with Purple Collar Life. You can see I'm at one of my favorite places. We're on vacation, we're camping. We've got the boat and the jet ski in the water. A lot of times people ask, Chad, you go to the lake a lot, how come you never go fishing? Well, I'm gonna finally cave in. In today's video, we're going fishing, but it's not what you think. So we're here at the dock. We're gonna do some magnet fishing. So yeah, a different type of fishing. So there's some things about regular fishing I don't like. First of all, I don't have the patience. I'm not really very good at it. I don't like fish in the first place, so even when I catch them, it's not like I'm gonna eat them. Now this could be a little bit more rewarding for me. It should be instant result. So if you put it in and there's something down there, hopefully we'll grab it and pick it up. It could be people's keys, could be who knows what, but we'll do some magnet fishing today. Okay, should we start out at the end of the dock or right here? First attempt. Not very deep here. I don't know, maybe this is going to be as rewarding as regular fishing. Now, if you dropped your keys or something, how would you get them? Here, go across that edge. Here's the rest of the rope. Well, you got something on there. Just rocks. I felt a little nibble, so Jennifer came over to record my first catch of the day.
Oh, nice.
Can't look, matches these ones. Came out of the deck.
Wow.
I also caught this rock. Now I'm not sure what kind of rock would be that magnetic, but something.
Good job.
And we have other little metallic pieces of stuff there. We'll keep fishing. Hoping for the big one. Oh, it's way deeper over here. I mean, oh, I feel something. Anything? I feel something down here. Probably should have brought the grapple. Something too big for me to pick up with the magnet. Could be someone's anchor. I can see why you'd put the eyelet on the side and just kind of drag it through. Here's something right here. But again, too big for me to pick up. Nothing. Well, by now I thought we'd have anchors, keys, maybe a jet ski trailer. You can feel it catch or pull on a lot of stuff down there, but I think it's stuff that's too heavy. All right, must be a fail. I'll throw a little further out off the end here. Whatever it is, I'm pulling it closer to me, so it's dragging across the bottom on the sand, but I don't have enough power to lift it. Caught something.
Another rock.
It's a nut.
Even nut.
All right, last cast if we don't catch something big.
Sissy, you're still not a fisherman.
Feels like there's a lot of metal stuff under there.
Could just be dragging on.
Could be just dragging on the bottom. Calling it a day for today.
What'd that cost you?
I don't know, I have to look it up. You can find out by clicking on that Amazon affiliate link down below. What did it cost, Jennifer asked. I can't remember. Not very much. Worth a couple hours of entertainment, or 15 minutes. Maybe we'll see if somebody else who has a pontoon boat wants to try this out in the middle of the lake. Do some fishing with the magnet out there. Maybe you'd find some sunglasses. Thanks for watching. If you like videos like this that'll probably never even get posted, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you again the next time.